Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to do another experiment.
It's the last time, it was like 10 or 5 seconds ago that we experienced glue on a Twizzler in the microwave. First time, it didn't work out, it was just a little bit. As you can see, I already put it out. I put it away.
Yeah, we threw it away.
The Twizzler I threw away, I put the plate in the sink.
Ryan, you should have put a bag in there or something.
Sorry.
So today we're going to be experiencing glue on cereal in the microwave, okay?
We can't put it in the bag. I mean, that's horrible. Okay, we're going to see one on a live cereal.
One life cereal.
And one mini wheat. We're going to see what's the difference between one.
Yeah. So we're going to see what happens. Hope you guys enjoy the video. So, let's see here. Where's the glue? Ryan, where'd you put the glue? Where'd you put the glue?
Oh, it's up here. Okay.
Wait,
So
no,
this time
we do it separately. So first, the life cereal.
we're going to see what happens.
Hope
Hope not too many bad things happen.
Yeah.
And you can see.
And we don't want to make a mess, but we want to make a good video for you guys.
We're not going to make a mess in the microwave because, I mean, it'll just go into place. So we're going to put for
20 seconds?
10 seconds for
10 seconds first. See what the damage is.
I hope it's good. I mean, I don't want.
I want it to be interesting, but again, it's an experiment. Not every experiment is successful. Okay, it's over. Has there been any damage done, Detective Ryan?
No.
I think it was too. Yeah.
20 seconds.
Yeah, that's probably gonna do something.
As we wait, we should probably leave in the comments what you want next time.
Yeah, because I'm not getting any comments. I've only gotten one
We
like.
got a few likes. We got at least 3 or 4 likes and 2 subscribers, which was me. I subscribed to him, and then I don't.
Someone else.
Someone else. I don't. Leave in the comments
Nothing
if
happened.
you have subscribed to our channel. And we all
Oh God.
how nice it was. Wait, what happened?
Oh, it didn't do anything. It didn't do anything.
We need more.
It just expanded it by a little bit.
Wait, let's just.
Oh, it's time to throw this in the trash. Sorry guys that was not interesting. We weren't expecting much though. Okay, next.
Next is this one. No.
No? Yeah.
Don't put too much.
Okay,
Okay, that's a lot.
yeah.
Okay.
Well, for the video, let's start for
It's in the name for science.
in the
If you
name
guys
of
have-
science.
If you have the Dollar Bear channel, please check it out. It's really, really cool.
2 minutes!
Wait, stop.
Stop, you're gonna kill us all!
Time cook 30.
Right, for those, there's just an ad 30 seconds.
So as we make,
Oh, guys, I don't see anything. Actually, no, I see something.
if you guys can't see something, please leave in the comments what you think will happen. But it's only gonna be 10 seconds, so 10, 9, please leave in the comments. 8, 7,
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
0. Wait. 0. Oops.
It was very anticlimactic.
Okay,
Ryan?
I think it took off a bit of
Stop.
the light. It took off the bit of
Oh, okay, yeah, it was way more damage than it did with the other thing.
That's because you put way more glue in this.
Well, it wouldn't have done it.
That burns. Please do
Okay,
not
guys.
put a plate in the microwave.
Yeah,
Oh, look,
it definitely deformed.
It looks like a rotten banana. Just looks like a rotten banana.
Yeah, it kind of does actually.
Looks like a rotten banana. Just left out for 10
So,
years.
hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, drop a like.
No. Wait, we need to put both of them in the microwave. And also we need to put more glue on the...
Wait,
Anyways, we don't want a short video.
yeah. I pranked you guys kind of, even though I never knew we were coming up with this plan. Oh, what? Why are we coming up with this plan? We're gonna kill ourselves, Ryan.
No.
Yes, we are.
How are we gonna kill ourselves? We're just putting some.
Innocent stuff in the microwave. Well, it's not gonna be so innocent when you add glue to the mix. So now they're together.
We'll see if they attach or
Why would they attach, Ryan?
because there's glue on it.
Yeah, they're not magnetic, okay?
Sorry for every time I cough, guys. It's
Ryan's
been
only-
5 minutes so far.
Ryan, that's not surprising. I've had a 20-minute video. Okay, so let's see here. Okay,
We'll see
the damage. So, oh God, this is hot. This is really hot.
Well,
Not-
not so much damage.
Yeah, it's kind of the same thing.
Take it out for them to see it better.
Yeah, okay.
It's a little hot,
Dude.
guys. Guys,
Look,
we need
here,
to
take the napkin, Ryan. Use the napkin.
use the force nuke. Use the white force that's a paper towel nuke. Okay, not too much damage. I only see some glue attached on it.
Yeah, that
That's
one's definitely have been dealt more damage. I think if we were to scrape off the glue, we would see more damage, but I kind of doubt that. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, drop a like and subscribe and leave a comment what experiment we should do next, and we will do it if we had the ingredients. Next video, I'm gonna ask my mom if I can bake an egg in the microwave. Boom! Bye.